Okay guys, today we're doing something that would usually be super boring. We're gonna try to make this fun. Can you guess what we are doing? We're making the bed, but we're attempting the burrito technique. Have you heard of this? It's been around for a while now, but I've never tried it, so let's see how this goes. Hopefully you guys can test it out too, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Okay, there you have it. It surprisingly worked. For a second there, I didn't think it was going to. I don't know if it really saved me a ton of time or not, but it was fun to try it out. Just keep in mind, your duvet cover has to go on inside out first. That was the mistake I made. So put that on inside out, lay it flat on your bed, and you're good to go. Have fun.